Well, it's Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we're going to take a look at a nice little setting which is built into Windows 11 to make it feel a little bit more like Windows 10 and Windows 7. If you've come from those previous operating systems and you've been forcibly upgraded to Windows 11, then you're probably finding things are a little bit kind of out of sync and you're not quite sure where things are, or basically how to operate Windows. Now, something which is missing, or at least very much hidden in some aspects, is the scroll bar, which is something which is actually quite important, especially if you're trying to troll through a whole bunch of files and maybe you're just trying to go through various different things in Windows Explorer. It is frustrating that it seems to hide the scroll bar. So let's take a look at the computer and see how we can remedy that. So this is our Windows 11 desktop. This is just a fresh installation, 24H2. And if we go into the start bar, there's not really a great deal here anyway, but if we go into all, you can see there's a very, very slim scroll bar here, which does expand when you go over it. And also if you stay away from it for a while, it disappears altogether, which can be a little bit off-putting. So how do we remedy this? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. Click on the start flag, go into settings, then go over into accessibility, and then into visual effects. Once you're in visual effects, you can make a couple of other changes as well. So you can choose always show scroll bars, so they're always appearing. And also if you want to get rid of some of the transparency effects, which are a little bit annoying, you can do, and also some of the Windows animation effects. This has a twofold thing. It basically less work for your GPU or your processor, and also it makes Windows feel a little bit more snappy. So when you're opening and closing things, you don't get all those kind of weird animations. And to show what I mean about the actual system, so if you go into something like Windows Explorer, so now we can see we've got our scroll bar, which is always there and always the full size, which makes navigation a little bit easier, especially again for those of you that potentially may be slightly visually impaired. So there you go, that's a nice simple way of making Windows feel a little bit nicer to use if you've come from Windows 7 or Windows 10. So there you go, nice little quick easy tip there. So if you are coming over to Windows 11, you want to make it feel a little bit nicer, or you're just frustrated that every time you look at your Windows, the scroll bar seems to have disappeared or it's turned into some fine slither on the side. We all like our scroll bars and we mostly miss the old Windows experience, so it's nice to be able to get it back. Anyway, hopefully this video's been helpful to you. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and also the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. Hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.